Hey everyone, it's Rockin Chris over here at Phoenix Triumph. I just want to show you this brand new Triumph alarmed disc lock. It is motion sensitive, it's really easy to use, so we're just going to do a little example video on how it works. Check it out. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Jesse for helping us out with this video. After you arm the disc lock, there is a 10-second delay before it becomes active. Now let's see what happens when somebody tries to move your bike after the disc lock is armed and active.
Hey, Rick Hollywood here. I'm gonna try to steal this guy's bike. Oh my gosh, what the heck's going on here? It must be an alarm on him. Check this alarm that they just put on this bike. Woohoo! This could be yours. Ready? Watch when I try to move it. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? I'm gonna get a... No,
The police.
it's the police coming. I'm not stealing, sir. I'm just trying to help this guy. Check this alarm out.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. I'm caught.
Hey, you trying to steal my bike, bro?
Sorry, man. Sorry. And this is Jesse. This is the owner of this bike. Watch.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh. I did it again. I'm gonna have the police coming pretty soon.